Just let your beauty shine through. Let it shine through. Hi you guys, it's me Niecy J. Today I want to come to you with 6 tips for bright, youthful, glowy skin. If you are interested in seeing this video, then keep on watching. Those of you that do not know, I say this all the time. If you are new to the channel, this is new for you, but most of my viewers know I am 50 years old. I will be 51 October. Ooh, I can't believe I'm going to be 51. 50 seems like it's just flying by. But in October, I will be 51 years old. And I'm always trying to look my best at 50, okay? We all know that aging is a natural process. And we're going to age. You can't stop that. If you're living, you're going to age, okay? I want to age gracefully. I want to look young for as long as I can. Or young for my age, I'll say that, because you're never going to look 30, 40 again, but you want to still look young and youthful for your age, okay? If you do these 6 things, you would definitely see a difference in your skin. Now I'm going to say this right now in the beginning, but you have to be consistent. I'm not going to ramble, but consistency is the key. Now with that being said, I'm going to jump right into it. The first thing I want to talk about is number 1 is exfoliating. Now this is not in any order, but I think exfoliating is very important, okay? There are 2 types of exfoliation. There's manual exfoliation and there's chemical. Now manual, let's start with manual first. Manual is when you use the little granules and you manually exfoliate your skin. You go with the little granules all over your skin and you rinse it off. That's what I used to do years ago, okay? And that is okay. Now it can irritate the skin a little bit more because you do have little follicles, little fine follicles that's, you know, you're manually exfoliating your skin. There's also a thing called chemical exfoliants where you apply it onto your skin, you leave it on there for a bit, and I'm not a chemist, but somehow it eats off the dead layers of skin, revealing your smooth, soft, silky, glowing skin that's underneath the dead layers, okay? So dermatologists and estheticians, they actually say chemical exfoliants are better, and I personally agree with that. You can find a mild exfoliator, a manual, if that's what you want to use, if you're not quite sure. But this is one of my favorite chemical exfoliants by The Ordinary. I mean, I did a video with this. I will link it up here showing you how I use this. I was using this at least once or twice a month. Now I use this every week. My skin is used to it. I use it every week. Apply it on my skin, wash it off 1 time a week. And yeah, I like to keep my skin looking hydrated, youthful, young, and this is one of them, exfoliating. Now if you really have sensitive skin and you don't want to use this one by The Ordinary, it's like $6 or $7, very affordable but very effective. Try this lactate acid by The Ordinary. It is a little bit milder, but it still is very effective, okay? Start with this and then work your way up to The Ordinary, the AHA 30 BHA. Work your way up to this one, okay? If you like the granule, the manual type of exfoliation, I like the Kate Somerville. This one it says intensive exfoliating treatment. It's very finely milled. It doesn't irritate your skin. It goes on like a cream and it's very gently, it's like the granules aren't that big where it's really getting in and irritate your skin. You may see a little redness, you know, but that's normal when you exfoliate. And then wash that off and then apply whatever products that you like to use on your skin. Once I exfoliate, I always like to use a really hydrating moisturizer. I like Tatcha, you know I love Pond's moisturizer, but I really like to put something on my skin to hydrate and replenish my skin after I exfoliate. So yes, number 1, exfoliate that skin to reveal a smoother, baby soft skin. skin. Okay, your skin will thank you for it. Number 2 is using vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant. It helps to brighten the skin naturally. You can also consume, you know, vitamin C. You can take vitamin C vitamins. You can eat things that's rich in vitamin C, you know. You can also consume it. I like to apply it on my skin as well, and this is one of my favorite ones. Timeless Vitamin C, 20% ferulic acid and vitamin E. I love this. Not sponsored video by no means, but yeah, I like the vitamin C. So when I apply that onto my skin, I can tell the difference ever since I've been using vitamin C, period. My skin looks brighter, and I've been using vitamin C now for maybe about 3 years. Yeah, when I was introduced to something, I was wondering why my skin needs a little bit of oomph to it as you get older, and it was lacking vitamin C. As soon as I say the first month, I noticed a big difference in how my skin looked, how it feels, the brightness of it, the texture. I love it. It also helps with fine lines and wrinkles. It's wonderful. If you have not tried vitamin C, try it. I'm telling you, your skin will thank you for it. Try it on your face first, because sometimes some people may be a little sensitive to like acids, you know, like citric type acids. But so try it on a place where you can kind of monitor it to see if your skin is all right with using it. My skin loves it. So yes, vitamin C on a daily basis. Love this. Tip number 3 for brighter, glowy looking skin is to use glowy looking makeup. If you want a glowy, dewy type of look, then your foundation or your makeup needs to have like a dewiness or a glowy feel to it. One of my all-time favorite right now, I've been using it so much for the last few months since I've purchased this. Now I've purchased this, I think it's been about maybe 3 months, and I've been using it consistently. It's this one right here by Charlotte Tilbury. It is the Hollywood Flawless Filter. It's that new shade 5.5. Honey, this right here makes your skin look so radiant, so natural looking, but it looks like you have an inner glow. This right here, this foundation, I love it. I have it on now. It's one of my favorite so far. I thought Tom Ford was, because I love that foundation stick. This is a nice glowy dewy one too. It matches my skin perfectly. Love this one, but this one right here, oh my goodness, it's one of my favorite. I actually am picking up an extra bottle just in case, because I do not want to run out of this. This is one of my favorite natural foundations. I don't have to wear lipstick, I don't have to wear eyeshadow. I can just apply this on and you would just think it's my natural skin. It looks just that natural. Love this foundation. Now this is more on the pricier side. I think this is like maybe like $40 some maybe. I'll put the price somewhere up here. But another dewy foundation that is affordable that I actually love, wore it all the time. I haven't been wearing it as much because I've been so into this Charlotte Tilbury, but to me this could be kind of a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury. Well, maybe I have to try that out, but I like the Maybelline Fit Me, the Dewy Smooth. I'm in shade 315 Soft Honey, and so yeah, for glowy skin, choose a glowy looking makeup as well. Number 4 on the list, and most people do this all the time, I like to use highlighter. Highlighter enhances your glowiness. If you have a glowy foundation on like now, I like to just use a little highlighter, just a tad bit. This is one by Milani, and it is the Sun Glow Luminous number 3 from Milani. Love this. This is how it looks. And I just take a little bit, and you can just apply it, like tap it. I already have a little bit on, but you can just tap it around your cheek area, around your temple, a little bit on your nose area, just to give you a slight looking glow. You know, it looks natural. You want a natural glow. You don't want a glow that's like, hey, I'm using highlighter. I want a natural type glow. I also like this. This is the Ambient Hourglass Highlighting Glow Complexion Glow. I like this because it gives you the inner glow. That's what I had on before, but I just wanted to show you an affordable highlighter Love It by Milani. They have all different shades, all different kinds. It depends on which one that you like. I like the Sun Glow number 3 for my skin type. You don't have to spend a fortune for highlight. You can find a nice highlighting palette like this one by Sephora. You know, they have, this one was, I think, maybe $15, $16, if that. It comes with the highlighter and the blushes that has like a little light in it as well. Or just as simple as a highlighter, period. But yeah, I really do like just to add a little bit of brightness, a little bit of glowiness, especially if you're not getting a lot of sun. You can make yourself look like you have that glow to you. A natural inner glow, and that's what I like to go for, natural. I like natural looking glows, okay, where it doesn't look like I just put some on here and here, just look like a streak of this, a streak of that. I like to look more natural. So yes, use a highlighter. Number 5, you can go to your esthetician to do this for you and pay a good little amount of money to do this. Dermaplaning, okay? That's just using this dermaplaning, or another term, shaving your face. And I like to go in the direction of the hair and just remove that hair from your face. That's like the little peach fuzz. Just also removes dead layer of skin from your face as well. But you know, it's your skin. You can just do it lightly. You'll pay a good little amount for an esthetician to actually do that for you, you know. So you can do it yourself for free. This is like maybe $2 or $3, and you just take it and you just all on your cheek area. You know, I have freckles and moles all in this area, so I have to be a little careful. And your skin, once you do it, feel your skin. It feels so soft, so smooth. You actually will remove dead skin from your face, like from doing that as well. I've been shaving my face for a while now, like since I was in my 20s, and no, I haven't grown a beard. No, my face do not have razor bumps, because I don't use a razor. I use this little thing just to remove the peach fuzz and any dead skin that comes off naturally, okay? Yes, but not least, one of my all-time tips that I always advise is drinking water. Drinking water. Water is your friend. Our body is made of, what is it, 80 or 90% of water? So you know you need water for just your skin, your hair, your nails, your body function, your organs. So definitely drink your water, and you will see your skin start to change as well. Okay, drinking water is very important, and you will see a big difference by doing these things consistently, not hit and miss. If you try this for, I say, a good month, no, let's say 8 weeks, that's 2 months. If you 8 weeks, you give yourself 2 months, you'll look at your skin, take a before picture and then take an after picture. You will see a big difference in just how your skin looks, the appearance of it. Try it, but you have to stay consistent. That is all I have for you today. Thank you so very much for just taking time out to watch my videos. I greatly appreciate it. And I see I have some new subscribers, so welcome. You are now part of the Niecy J family. I love you guys so much. For my oldies but goodies, and you know who you are, that just have been with me from the beginning. You've seen you've been with me when I've had like 10 subscribers, okay? Thank you so very much for just always taking time out of your busy day to watch me. I greatly appreciate it. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. Peace and love until next time. Mwah. Bye.